Corbin, what are you doing? Are you playing with bubble wrap? What is it? What is it though? What do you call it? It's a bubble? What do you do with it? Do you pop it? Can you say pop? Pop! Really concentrating. Pop, that's right. Pop. Try stepping on it. Stand up and jump on it. Corbin, how long have you been doing this? About for 5 minutes straight now. You gonna stand up on it and jump on it? Jump. Is it popping? Don't mind our room, it's messy. Oh, you got one.
Good.
You got another one. Good job. Alright, say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Blow kisses. Blow to kiss. Oh, very good.